Hi, my name is Pasha.
My name is Dimas.
Okay, I assume you're here for the interview?
Yes, right.
Can I have the document?
Sure.
Okay, Dimas. So I read through your CV and I think we can just start with the interview.
Okay.
So tell me about yourself.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Dimas Rahardian Kurniawan and I'm fresh graduated from Universitas Riau, majoring management, and my last GPA is 3.95. During my university years, I was an active member of the Economics Faculty English Club or EFAC. And in one moment, I was served as a vice project leader of English Festival 2024. That's a national event. And from 2025 until 2026, I became protocoler in effect. Beside of that, I also work as customer service staff at Kopi Dari Hati Pekanbaru, and I learn about how to communicate effectively with the customer and manage teamwork in fast-paced environment. My passion itself is about marketing, creativity, and leadership. So that's why right now I was excited because I want to use and apply my skill and contribute to Unilever marketing teams.
Okay, so you have worked before, right?
Yes, I have worked before.
What were your tasks? What did you do?
Okay, my responsibility in my job before is something like welcoming customer, handling order and payment, handling complaints, and help my teams if it's busy time. I also manage service quality, and this job give me experience about customer interaction, communication, teamwork, and the importance of maintaining the positive brand image.
Okay, so why did you leave your last role?
Okay, I leave because my university classes started, and in that time I want to focus on my study first. But the insight from my last job give me help me to learn about customer handling, communication, teamwork, and this is I can use or apply for future professional roles.
What did you learn from that experience?
I learned about how to communicate effectively with the different types of people. Also, how to handle complaint or feedback customer positively and working under pressure. And this learning helped me to improve my emotional intelligence, which is essential skills in marketing.
Okay, so why do you want to join Unilever?
Okay, because I admire Unilever. Unilever builds strong brand that connect emotionally with the customer. Unilever also focus on innovation, sustainability, and also the local community itself align with my personal value. So that's why I want to become part of the impactful environment where I can grow, I can learn from the professional, and I can contribute to make a new marketing idea that can reach more people.
Well, so what do you know about our company and our products?
What I know about Unilever is world largest consumer goods companies, and in their products in Indonesia, especially in Pekanbaru, such as Sunsilk, Lifebuoy, Walls, and the others, it is a become part people daily lives. And also Unilever promotes sustainability and the local community itself empowerment through uh, various initiatives. So that's also the one reason I admire Unilever.
Oh, so you have used our products before?
Yes, I already.
Alright. So what makes Unilever stand out for you compared to the other?
Okay, for me, it is because I see Unilever, they combines business growth and social responsibility. So it's not just about sell product, but it is also build strong brand that make people lives better.
Okay. So let's talk about you now. What are your main soft skills?
Okay, my main soft skill is something like leadership, communication, teamwork, and adaptability. And when I was served as vice project leader of the Festival 2024, I managed a national event, coordinate with multiple committees, communication with participants, and handling deadlines. And this experience helped me to build in strong interpersonal skills and leadership skills, which is helpful in this marketing role.
Okay. So you applied for the marketing manager position.
Yes.
Uh, what are your hard skills that are related to this position?
Okay, my hard skill is improvisation using Microsoft Office, analyzing using Excel, using PowerPoint and Canva to create marketing content. I also understand about digital marketing and consumer behavior, and my experience in my last job help me to analyze about customer feedback and market preferences, which is related to marketing strategy.
So about how about your strengths?
Okay, my strength itself is about I can lead and communicate effectively in a team. And I also very organized and detail or result oriented. So when I do something, I will make sure do it well and on time. And so those traits will help me to coordinate marketing project efficiently at Unilever.
So of course everyone has their own weaknesses, right? So what is your biggest weaknesses and how are you improving it?
Okay, so my biggest weakness it comes from the my strengths. So as I said before, my strength is I detail or result oriented. So sometimes I will check everything, and it can take more extra times. But I've been improving by setting clearly deadlines and focusing more efficiency without losing quality.
That's nice. So of course, by the sound of it, you sound very busy. So how do you manage your time between study and personal life?
Okay, I always plan schedule ahead. For the example, during my university years, I balance my study, organization, and my part-time job using simple weekly plan. I also prioritize tasks based on urgency and important, and I already learned about how to delegate and communication effectively in a team. So that's why I can stay organized and consistent without afraid to losing or sacrificing my academic performance and social life.
Okay, so from your CV, mentioned here that you once was a protocoler in your organization. You were also once a vice project leader in one of their
Yes.
biggest projects.
Yes.
So tell me more about that.
Okay. I will tell you about when I was served as vice project leader in English Festival 2024. I manage a national event and I lead organizing team, which my responsibility in that team something like coordinate with the committees, communication with participants across Indonesian, handling deadlines and promoting the event until the end. And after the event success, it teach me a lot about leadership and responsibility.
Sounds like you learned a lot.
Yes, of
Okay.
course.
So if you were to be a marketing manager and you have team members, you were to lead a project, how do you handle the team conflicts? Maybe a miscommunication happened.
Okay, if it's for me, I do prefer using communication. So for the example, first I will listen from the both teams why these problems occurs, and after that I will give a fair solution that benefit both teams. And also I believe communication is a key to resolving any problem.
Okay, so that's a really good communication. If one of your team member misses a deadline, what will you do?
Okay, it's the same about a team conflict. Of course, I will talk privately with that member and try to understand why that member misses the deadline. After that, I know the problem, maybe something like workload or misunderstanding. I do prefer help or adjust the task distribution. And after that, I will informing again in my team about our goals and our deadlines. And of course, I do prefer communication rather than pressure to solve the problem.
Okay, wasn't this is really impressive, Dimas. So I would like to ask you, what are your expectations if you were to be hired in this position?
Okay, I have expectation too about I hope I can grow professionally and contribute at Unilever marketing strategy. I also want to have experience in brand management and work with inspiring people and strengthen Unilever name at Pekanbaru market. I also want to develop my leadership skills for future managerial role. roles.
Okay. So of course you're not the only one who applied for this position, right? So
Yes.
tell me one thing or reason why should we hire you?
You should, because I combine academic knowledge, organizational experience, and also a real cus- customer handling skills. And I also understand about management and digital marketing, also consumer behavior. And I am a fast learner and dedicated and proven my leadership through and organizing a national event. I also confident that I can bring fresh ideas and positive energy to Unilever marketing teams.
Alright, so I think that's all for the question. Maybe one more from me. Do you have any questions for us?
Of course, I have a question, just one, I think. My question is, can you tell me about your experience in this position? Because you are work here longer than me.
So of course, every company has its own rhythm, and in Unilever, it's not a place where you're left on your own. Everybody is pulled together, and we also work together. It's a really positive environment. Of course, there's always a downside where everything is fast-paced. So every change comes really fast, and some people are just not well adjusted to that.
Okay.
But it's something that we keep on learning every day. We have to keep maintaining communication so no one is left behind. And also, we value our employees, so their work matters, and the environment really pushes you to grow.
Okay.
So, is that enough?
Yes, I don't have any question at this moment. Thank you for the opportunity, and that's a very clear explanation.
Oh, so no more questions then.
Yes.
Well, this was a really impressive interview, Dimas. You really did a great job.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can hear from us from your email.
Okay.
I think I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.